What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in an Acura remote key fob. So this smart key remote fob is going to take replacement battery CR2032. And the first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of the smart key. That's done by pressing this button on the front, and then it'll allow the key to slide out like that. Now if we flip the smart key over so the buttons are facing down like this, and we take a look right here, we see this little notch right here. What we're gonna do is stick the emergency key in that notch and then just pry up a little bit, and it'll pop the back up. And now we see our battery right here. If you take the emergency key again, you can see there's these little notches around the battery in the holder. You can kind of use it just to get under the edge of it like that. Grab our new battery, and we wanna install that with the plus side up. Snap that into place. Snap our back on. You want to start this part in first like this, and then snap that on. Slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.